Alright, I've been doing a lot of cooking, not as much cleaning. My sink is in need of serious cleaning. I have this bottle of homemade products you'd find in your household. All it is water, a little vinegar, and a little bleach. I'm gonna spray it on. We're gonna see how it takes care of this nasty sink. There's a pasta noodle. That's long overdue to be clean. Oh yeah. Soap. Take care of all that nasty stuff that was in the sink. As you can see, some basic household ingredients really got the job done. Just some bleach, vinegar, water, a little soap. I didn't even use dish soap. I used a bar soap. Thanks for watching.